In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into settings and tapping on connections. Then make sure that Bluetooth is on by checking this switcher next to it. Tap on it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!